In this video, I will discuss about trend lines. What are trend lines and how to draw trend line support and resistance. So, a trend line is a line which tells you about the trend. There are two types of trends in the market, upward trend and a downward trend. So let's discuss about upward trend first. You can see that the price made a high at this point, and then the price made a new high at this point, and then the price made a new high at this point. Since the price is continuously moving in upward direction, I will draw a trend line over here. So I will click on pencil and then trend line, and I will try to connect the points from this point, from this point through this point. So this trend line is telling us that the price is in upwards direction, that it is moving upwards, and it is telling us about the trend. Now, as you can see that whenever the price touches this trend line, the price takes a bounce. It means that this trend line is acting as a support. So we can assume that in future, whenever the price comes near this trend line support, it will take a bounce. So let's see if it takes a bounce or touches our trend line support or not. So the price is now currently fluctuating, and let's see. So you can see that the price has successfully touched our support trend line. Now you can buy it from here. So I will buy it from here with a proper stop loss. I will buy at this point and I will place my stop loss below this low. And this will be my TP. So let's see if the price takes a bounce or triggers our stop loss. You can see that the price has took a bounce from our support zone and successfully touched our TP. So now let's talk about downtrend. You can see on the chart that the price first made a low and then it made another low which was more intense than the first one. So you can see that the price is continuously moving in downward direction. So I will again draw a trend line over here, and from this point I will try to connect points and through this point. So this trend line is telling us that the price is moving in a down trend. It means that the price is uh, falling. So you can see that whenever the price touched this trend line, it took a rejection from the trend line. It means that this trend line is acting as a resistance. So it should take another rejection from this trend line. So let's see, and let me arrange it a bit, and you can see that the price has successfully took a rejection from our trendline resistance. Notice one thing, that if the price instead of taking a rejection from our trendline resistance breaks that resistance, now that resistance will act as a support. It means that the price will take a bounce from that resistance. So if the price breaks a resistance, you can buy it on retest. So I will buy it at this point and I will place my stop loss below this trend line and I will set my TP. So let's see if the price takes a bounce or triggers our stop loss. You can see that the price is taking a bounce and it has successfully hit our TP. Similarly, if the price breaks the trendline support, now that support will act as a resistance. It means that the price will take a rejection from that trend line. So I hope you understood the concept. Please subscribe.